Want to make $100 a day online? You don't need to code, you don't need a following. All you need is ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by picking a niche with real demand. Think blog writing, resume services, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, or email marketing. Now, go to ChatGPT. Ask it to create a 500-word blog post on any topic in your niche. You can tweak the tone, word count, and even ask for SEO optimization. Step 3. List your gig. Create a free gig on Fiverr or Upwork. Use the content from ChatGPT as your sample work. Set your starting price at $10 to build reviews fast. Step 4. Upsell and automate. As you get orders, offer upsells, like faster delivery, SEO formatting, or bulk content. Create reusable prompts or templates in Notion to speed things up. Step 5. Scale with AI. Once you've got 3 to 5 clients, you can scale. Use ChatGPT to handle volume, and you could hit $100 plus a day in under 2 weeks. All faceless, all automated. That's how people are turning ChatGPT into passive income in 2025. Want more ways to excel? Hit subscribe and check out the next new video.